Dr. Jeremy Dkhar, ula Jied kum Dkhot jang National Academy of Sciences India NASI, kawaini gi Sciences Academies jang kari India. Uday ukun jang ulit ba David Giri Masar bat ka kong Linda Dkhar basyang basa amaulai Yeuringhap Shillong. Ula pendap ikajing Police School na Christian Academy High Secondary School Riat Samthia Shillong. Hadin kata ula yo ika bachelor's degree in biotechnology na St. Anthony's College Shillong. Nang tahu le betengi ke jingpule bat yo eka master's degree in biotechnology na IIT Roorkee bat hadin ula pendap eka PhD in botany na Northeastern Hill University Shillong. Shosho ula tre kum DST Inspire Faculty School of Life Sciences Jawaharlal Nehru University New Delhi. Mintau Dr. Jeremy Dkhar Uttarakum Principal Scientist Haka Agro Technology Division CSIR Institute of Himalayan Bioresource Technology, Palampur, Himachal Pradesh.